Close your eyes. Sit in a very comfortable and relaxed position. Take a slow, deep breath in. Notice how your stomach expands as the air enters your body. And exhale, noticing how your stomach contracts as it releases all the anxiety and pressures too. Now, let your body completely relax and feel at ease. As you begin to relax with each breath, imagine or visualize a staircase that has 10 steps, and at the end of it is a huge door. As I count you down from 10 to 1, you will reach the end of the staircase. Start moving one step down. At 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, you are halfway there. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. You are now in front of that door, and the door opens. As you enter this room, you notice that there is a huge library of books, and there is a book for every human in this library. You also notice that there is an angel who manages all these books, and you ask her about what these books hold. And she tells you these books are the books of manifestation, which help people manifest their deepest desires. You get excited, and now she hands you your book and tells you that it is now your time to write your deepest wish here, as it is now the right time for it to manifest in your life, in your physical reality. With excitement, you take the book and also a magical pen that the angel gifts you. Now, you can sit anywhere that you like in this huge library. Choose the place that calls you. As you now sit, open the book and start writing about the one wish you want to manifest. Write each and every detail. How would you feel if you have this manifestation now? How your loved ones would be happy. Note each and every detail in this book of manifestation. Now, close the book and hand it over to the angel with full faith in the divine. This wish is now getting manifested in your physical reality. With this faith, It is now time to come out of this magical library with the knowing that your manifestation has now reached the universe and it is now working to bring that to you. And as I count you up from 1 to 5, you will come back to your conscious awareness with all the information that you received here, fully integrated into your physical body. So start coming up with 1, higher up with 2, with full faith in the divine with 3, integrated into your physical body at 4, and at 5, eyes open wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open wide awake. Repeat this manifestation process every day for the next 21 days at least and see the shift in your life. Thank you.